Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy. For the second day in a row, I attempted to do the flip strategy on the NASDAQ and there was no flip. Price just basically came straight down to demand, from which then I took a trade. But I figured there would still be an opportunity to educate the team. And for those of you who are interested in getting some content on how to scalp the NASDAQ, basically you got to be looking at quick moves and not linger in the market very long. So this is where the price was before the open, and this is the move that it did. As you can tell, there was not even a single wick going up. It just came straight down. It came down to demand, and as soon as I saw a bullish candle, which we have right there, I waited for the next one to pull back and to break the high where I entered. Okay, that's where it happened right there, and that was the entry. I don't think I had any drawdown, very minimal drawdown, and there was drawdown again because minimal drawdown, but still there was some drawdown because there's not enough volume in the market. I'm not sure what's going on with that, and so I was concerned about it rejecting in this area, right? This could be a simple wick and to come back down, so I didn't hold it much longer, but it did go a total of 33 points before it came crashing down. And so anyway, I was just looking to gain 0.5% to 1%, and I ended up with what's kind of weird because I use a trade copier, and I ended up with 0.9, almost to 1% on one account, then 0.6 on another account, and 0.4 on another account, and my fourth account did not take the trade. So that's the truth about trade copiers, which you need to be aware of when the market moves quickly, when there is up and down movements quickly. How can I say that the copier does not have time to process the order fast enough. And so whether it's spreads or whether it's a movement of price, you may not be able to take full advantage of the copier. It probably works best for swing traders, next day traders. For scalpers, it doesn't work as well. But as long as you have direction in your favor, then and momentum in your favor, then you should be able to benefit from the copier. And that basically allows you to trade multiple accounts with just one trade. And so that's what I did. Anyway, I'm going to go into the video now so that you guys can see the actual action as it was happening. And I hope you find this beneficial. God bless.
Hey guys, this is Robert Rivera with the Rivera Trading Group in association with Trend Trading Academy, and I am here getting ready to demonstrate the flip strategy. Just waiting for the open. We are 5 minutes away from the open, and unlike yesterday, we should see a more live action than what we did yesterday. Waiting, I have a high of the day, I have a low of the day, I have a 15-minute little zone right here. The action is bearish today again, as per looking at the daily. You see that it is bearish. The last 4-hour candles are also bearish. Okay, so in the 1-hour candle is bearish, 30-minute candle is bearish. I'm anticipating that it might make a move up before it comes down. And of course, that will make me biased for a sell, but the truth is it could do either one. We have a a supply zone right here, and we have another supply zone right here. It could go to either one of those. It is at the low of the day at the moment. So it's either going to break the low and head on down to support, or it's going to make a first initial push up and then crash down and perhaps then go to support. The key here is to be patient and wait for the 1-minute candle to close or the 5-minute candle to close. Sometimes you don't even get an opportunity to do that. Sometimes that very first candle, like it did yesterday, okay, the very first candle makes a move up, and yesterday it made a move up, and then once it flipped, it just kept going down. Now we're also looking at a critical point, right? Because I think, where is my 11,000? Where's my 11,000? Let me see. let me see, somewhere around here. Let's see, that's my 11,000 right there, which is a psychological level. So that could be where it comes to and then rejects. We shall see. I'm going to leave it the way I had it to not complicate it. Right now, it is testing the low of the day, and it has not tested the high of the day. So I'm thinking it might want to go up there and do that before it heads down. We shall see. We have 1:28 seconds before the candle opens, and then we shall see how we play it. Magic keys in hand. I won't be using it for the lot size. I will be just using it to risk manage the position once I open it. And we got about 30 seconds. Okay, here comes the open. There's the open, making a move down first. Will make me think it wants to go up. It is at the low of the day, but there's no rush here. We'll just give it a moment for it to make up its mind what it wants to do. It's pushing down. It's testing that low. Like yesterday, it doesn't seem to have a lot of volume to the open. Okay, and there close to the first minute, just closed bearish. And now it keeps pushing down. Again, no flip as of yet. The first 5-minute candle is still open. It could do like yesterday. 5-minute candle closes below. You may be looking at a retest of the break for it to go down. I mean, right now it keeps going down, further down. Again, nothing to do. We're not going to rush this. Now, at this point, I may be waiting for. Let me see if I can show you guys. Right down here, right this whole area. I marked it at support, but right there is a demand area, and it just touched it. So let's see how it works from here. See if it gives us a bullish candle to then start taking it up. Nothing happening. We don't get a trade. We don't get a trade. We're not going to rush anything. We're not going to force anything. We just wait. Okay, 40 seconds for this candle to close. And if you notice on yesterday's video and today's video, I keep track of the time, because that once the candle closes, it speaks, right? When the candle closes, it speaks. It kind of tells you what's up. Okay, this touched not support. It just touched demand and bounced a little bit. I need to see a bullish candle to then start taking it up. Okay, 5-minute candle closed. All right, let's see what this candle does now. No, the last 2 minutes of the 5-minute candle were bullish. Let's see if we get a bullish move here. Okay, so that's another 5-minute candle. Let's see, is this going to break the low or the high? I'm inclined to go in if it breaks the high because it bounced from support. Okay, I went in. I'll manage a position based on that 5-minute candle. I'm counting on volume to come in now to keep pushing it up. Much time? We got a minute and some for this 5-minute candle to close. It's important that it closes bullish if it's going to keep going in our direction. Come on, let's go. There you go. Come on. 50 seconds for the candle to close. All right, I took it. took it. I was not willing to wait for this retracement. Now, this retracement is could just be the pullback to then keep going up. But the market is super bearish, and the action was very tentative, not a lot of volume. So when it look at this beautiful move, now there's the move. Now there's the move. Okay. It just took 5 more minutes. So got to see how the 15-minute closed. Okay, 15-minute close, weak bearish, and now the next one is making his move up. Perhaps I would have had a little more confidence holding it after the 15-minute candle closed, but there was no knowing what the next 5-minute candle was going to do. So yeah, this was my concern right here. This was my concern right here. What it's doing right now. I mean, it already paid 33, but again, the market is very bearish right now. So don't want to mess with that. So I'm gonna call it a day. That's it for now. God bless you guys. Take care.